it's future me. I'm just popping in, editing the video, and I just realized that I didn't even do an intro at all. But this video is gonna be of Dylan and I searching for an apartment for Dallas. I guess I should hide where I am so you don't know. But we ended up touring a few apartments and picked one. Continue watching to see what apartments we toured. Yeah, and like on video, like it looks, like it doesn't look like the shorter one. Yeah. These closets are huge though. Oh, it's like the same type of thing. Oh, this is a nice kitchen. That's the one thing, it's like the Peloton, I don't know if it can go on a carpet. This is the big one. Whoa. I do too. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay guys, those were the 4 apartments that we saw. We ended up picking one of them and filled out an application. Within a few hours got approved. So we're gonna be moving to Dallas in a few weeks. Thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe down below.